Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to Awesome English. Our learning objective today is to learn all about articles and how to use them correctly in our writing. Let's get started. Alright, so let's check in on our awesome checklist. Now remember, this is our roadmap to success. So for the first one, our objective is to know what are articles in grammar. Then to know how to use articles correctly. And then finally, to practice selecting the right article in our writing. Let's get moving. So what are articles? An article is a short word that is placed before a noun. It states whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Now, if you've forgotten what a noun is, you can check out our video on the channel. But basically, nouns are people, places, things, or ideas. A cool way to remember what a noun is you can usually take a photo of it. All right, let's learn more. So what are articles? Articles are a, an, or the. Now, how do we use these articles correctly? Let's check out some sentences. Now, if you're in class, you can do a little think, pair, share with the person next to you. If not, you can brainstorm yourself. So the first one is, that is a huge building. Why do you use a there? The next one is, I saw an elephant on safari. Why do we use an? And the final one is, that is the dog that ate my homework. Have a little think, talk to the person next to you, go. All right, so in order to explain how we use articles, we need to first work out whether they are indefinite or definite, or known or unknown. So for that sentence, that is the dog that ate my homework, we use the article the because we know the dog. If we didn't know the dog, we would just write, that is a dog. We would use the article a. All right, let's learn more. All right, so we now know we use the article the if the noun is known to us. So if it is not known to us, we need to use a or an. So which one do we use? Well, that's easy. So we would use an if that noun started with a vowel sound. So vowels are a, e, I, o, u, or a, e, o, a. So if that noun starts with one of those sounds, you would use the article an, not a. So if we look at this example here, this is something apple. Which article will we use, a or an? That's right, we would use an because apple starts with the vowel sound a. So it would be, this is an apple. All right, let's learn more. Okay, so let's do some together. Look at these sentences here and decide whether you could use a, an, or the. So the first one, he passed his friend something orange. I ate something sandwich for lunch. I saw something car crash. Talk to the person next to you or brainstorm yourself. Which article would be best? All right, so let's check some answers. So for the first one, he passed his friend an orange. Of course, because orange starts with the vowel sound o. The next one, I ate a sandwich for lunch. Sandwich doesn't start with a vowel, so we use a. The last one, I saw the car crash. Now we could use a here, but we're using the. We're assuming that it's specific, that we know about the car crash. All right, let's learn more. All right, so now it's time for some independent learning. Now that you know the articles a, an, and the, go and read a book and look for their use. Maybe practice writing a few sentences for each article to help you remember the rules. Remember, practice makes perfect. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.